Hi everyone, and welcome to another time-lapse video. This reference photo that I'm showing is the actual reference I'm painting from. And this little insert I'm just animating for you is just to show you the composition I'm building in my head as I reference that larger photo. And here's the finished painting. I like showing you the finished painting so you can, as you're watching the time-lapse, constantly refer back to it so that you can see how the painting really developed. I'm planning on doing time lapses as an ongoing series. I think I'll call them Time Lapse Tuesdays, and maybe we can do a drinking game to see how often I actually post them on a Tuesday. But if you're interested in that and have specific subjects in mind you'd like me to do, just drop a comment in the section below and let me know what you're thinking and what you'd like. I love painting, and the subject isn't as important to me as the fact that I'm painting. I love pushing paint around. So I'm pretty open to your suggestions. Thanks for joining me, and if you'd like to support me and help me grow this channel, please subscribe and consider hitting that like and bell buttons as well, because hitting those really helps bump my channel in YouTube's algorithm, and that's where a lot of the growth can come from. So thank you for your support. I hope you're all well, and I hope you enjoy the video and just have a few quiet moments watching it and relaxing, and we'll see you in the next video.